Step 1, remove the plastic cover. Then grab the 2 bolts, sorry, the 2 nuts that are attached.
Spanners?
Spanners.
Yep.
English language. These things. So goes in the top, into that slot there, onto that slot there. And then the bottom one, then you unscrew the bottom part. Once they're loose, you can unscrew the nut. Unscrew on your new one. Grab these again.
So just a point to make on those spanners, you're right.
Yeah.
You don't need to go too tight with them. So the spanners have been cut. They're actually much longer, but they've been sawn. So you don't need to crank them super tight, because you can damage the collet. So just give it a fair bit of pressure. That's fine, Daniel. I think you're sweet. Just a good bit of pressure. Like something that like maybe like an 8-year-old, you know, like it would do it, you know, not a big man pressure. Cool. Baby, you want to drive the?
Yep.
So next, someone else take a turn for driving pushing the buttons. So what does it say now?
You will not touch off the zero plate. Click yes if the tool is at the safe height and free for all portions. So it is safe?
Yes. Safe. So what you can see is the tools coming down onto an aluminium block. If you want to just blow off the dust there, maybe blow.
Sure.
Just yeah, dry your finger. But anyway, so what that does is that creates a circuit. So that's how it tells that where the tool position is. So now the tool will be zeroed to that depth.